Okay, having talked about like body position, since you're doing partner dance, this is where we come into like the fundamentals of just like connecting through dance and being able to communicate, right? Because you can't have effective communication without like some sort of way to translate that to each other. So there's two main ways that people connect in partner dance. And it's either open position, which is like this, or closed position, which is like this. So open position first, a couple things to point out. I'm offering my hands to Effie like this, where like my thumb is up, my fingers are turned in toward myself, not out like that, turned in. Right, so I'm offering my hands like this. She's just putting her hands on top, right? We're just connecting through the fingers. We're not connecting like, I'm not holding onto her hand with my thumbs. We're really just like using our fingers. We're not even touching our palms in any way. As we connect, she's gonna connect down. So her wrist and her elbow are kind of down towards the ground, not way up here. Because if she's floating way up here, I can't tell anything that she's doing. So she's connecting down and she's giving me weight, like she's pressing down into my hands. Because again, if she's floating, like if I try to communicate something, she's like not gonna catch it because the sign is gonna be so light. So we're connecting like this. When we do that, there's also a little bit of like tension because we've pulled back our shoulders. There's some tension in our arms to be able to give a little push and pull to communicate. We'll get to that in a second. If we're in closed position, so we're much closer, I'm gonna come in here. This is my left arm. My right arm is gonna connect on her upper back here. My whole hand is here. I'm not like floating out here, right? I'm connecting to her back because that's gonna help if I'm trying to direct her forward or if she's coming back, right? And then with that, I'll show you. My right arm, my elbow is out. It's not up and it's not down. It's just kind of out at like a 45-degree angle from my body. And I am a little bit stiff in this arm so that I support her. So her arm is fully resting on my arm. We're like completely connected along this. Her hand is gonna be on my shoulder, on my bicep, somewhere right here, as long as her arm is like resting on mine, right? And then for our other arms are similarly like 45 degrees out, not up, not down, but out. And when I'm in closed, a lot of times I connect slightly differently, where instead of having that inside connection like this, where my fingers are directed in, my fingers are gonna be out. Still thumb is up, finger, like index finger on top, but instead of being in, it's gonna be out because it's just a little bit more comfortable, I find. And we're connected like this. This is really good because it emphasizes that a lot of times you wanna be facing each other. So we don't wanna be out here like this, where we're at like this 45-degree angle. We're gonna be like chest facing each other. And it's very helpful because if you're dancing and you guys feel like you're not like on the same foot, right? Like you want to be always on the same foot. I'm going to turn her, right? If she's going the opposite direction from me and that feels really awkward, then this is really useful because you can kind of reconnect at any point and just make sure that you're moving in sync with each other. And that helps a lot because then when you're trying to direct a movement, you know what foot they're going to be on instead of being like, I'm just going to hope for the best. Anything to add? Nothing? Okay. That's my fundamentals for like just connecting with each other. And I'll get into a couple of other things in the next like little video.